Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Aksa. I'm your science teacher. Hope you will be fine. I'm with your science book, The Science Factor. We have started the unit 1, the human body. We have learned the many topics of this unit in the previous videos. Today the topic of discussion is muscles. In this topic you will learn that what are the muscles, why they are important in our body and what function they perform. Look at here. The human body has more than 600 muscles. This is important line. Underline it. There are the 600 muscles in our body. Muscles help you to move. What the muscle do? Muscle help you to move. They also help to move things around your body. The example is that the heart is a muscle. In our body, heart is also a muscle and it moves blood around your body. Some muscles are attached to your bones and these are the muscles that give you strength and help you to move. Exercising these muscles help them to grow, giving you more strength. It takes 17 muscles to smile and 43 to frown. So remember, smiling is always easier than frowning. In this paragraph, you have learned that a human body has more than 600 muscles. And muscles help us to move. They help us to things around our body. And our heart is also muscle because it moves the blood around the body. In the next paragraph, आपने ये पढ़ा कि मसल्स हमारे कुछ बोन्स के साथ अटैच्ड होते हैं और अगर हम इन मसल्स को मूव करते रहें, एक्सरसाइज करते रहें तो ये हमारी ग्रोइंग में हेल्प करते हैं. नाउ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. Muscles work by contracting and relaxing. The two things that how the muscles work by the contracting and relaxing. These two words are that contracting and relaxing. And now here you should know and you should familiar with these words that contracting and relaxing. What does they mean? Contracting means they get shorter and relaxing makes them longer. Look at the picture. Here, the contracting arm muscle. When you will move your arm like this, it's mean that muscle is in the contracting position. And when you will straight your arm, it's mean it is in the relaxing movement. As they move in this way, they move the body. जब हम अपने मसल्स को रिलैक्स और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं इट्स मीन वी कैन मूव आवर पार्ट. दे नो व्हेन टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड व्हेन टू रिलैक्स बिकॉज दे रिसीव मैसेजेस फ्रॉम द ब्रेन टेलिंग देम व्हाट टू डू. यस. Hope you people have understand the meaning of the contracting and relaxing. I'm going to explain it again. Muscles work by the contracting and relaxing. हमारे जो मसल्स हैं वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग और रिलैक्सिंग की वजह से काम करते हैं. कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग का मतलब होता है कि वो शॉर्टर दे बिकम द शॉर्टर, दे गेट शॉर्टर, वो छोटे हो जाते हैं. एंड रिलैक्सिंग मेक देम लॉन्गर, वो लंबे हो जाते हैं. एंड जैसा कि पिक्चर में शो है, दिस इज़ द contracted muscle and it is the relaxing muscle. Now we have complete our unit 1. All topics are explained to you and here are some questions from your topics. First of all, these are the question of the topic muscles. What is the function of your muscle? What is the function of your muscle? I have explained you the topic of the muscle and you can easily find out the answer. Look, what is the function of your muscle? Here is the answer of that question, that muscles help you to move. The main function of your muscle is to move. आपके मसल्स का सबसे बड़ा फंक्शन यह है कि वो आपको मूव करने में हेल्प करते हैं. How do muscles work to bring about movement in your body? How do muscles work? Muscles कैसे work करते हैं? We have learned that muscles work by the contracting and relaxing. Muscles work by the contracting and relaxing. Here are some question in the last from your topics. I have explained you all the topics and you can easily get the answer of these questions easily. What do the following body organs do? You have to write down the function of these organs: brain, heart, lungs. Draw the diagram to show how your arm muscles work, when they contract and when they expand. You have to draw these two figures to show that how they contract and how they expand. What role do the intestine play in the digestive system? You can easily find out the answer of this question from the topic of the intestines. Today we have completed our unit 1. Hope you have understand. You can find out the answers of these questions and I hope you will find out these questions from your topic and write down on your notebooks. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.